Welcome back to Drone News UK. I'm Josh, and after a massive week in the drone world, we've got you all the latest updates that you need to know. This week's top stories: DJI Neo 2 is officially released in China, DJI Zenmuse L3 payload launches, and DJI faces potential US import ban. Big news coming out of DJI this week. The DJI Neo 2 is now officially launched in China, marking DJI's latest move into the budget drone market. The Neo 2 features LiDAR obstacle avoidance, gesture controls, and up to 4K 60fps video, all packed into a small, ultralight frame that's priced around 1,399 yen, which is roughly £150, making it one of DJI's most affordable drones yet. Early reviews from Chinese testers praise its improved stability, flight intelligence, and beginner-friendly design, with some calling it DJI's smartest entry-level drone ever made. A global release date hasn't been confirmed yet, but sources suggest that it could land internationally before Christmas, so UK pilots keep an eye out. DJI has also introduced the Zenmuse L3, the next generation LiDAR payload designed for the Matrice 350 RTK and Matrice 400. The L3 brings greater scanning range, higher density point clouds, and an integrated RGB camera, making it ideal for surveying, agriculture, and infrastructure mapping. This update solidifies DJI's dominance in the enterprise and surveying market, a major step forward for professionals needing precision 3D data. If you want to learn more about the L3, you can click this link here or down below in the description, where you can either buy or learn more. And for our final story, we're keeping it DJI as the FCC has taken the next step towards a potential import ban on DJI drones, citing national security concerns. If the ban passes, it could block new DJI models from entering the US market, a move that will heavily impact American pilots and retailers. Here in the UK, it doesn't affect availability just yet, but it may do in the future, and DJI is expected to issue a formal response very soon. Now let's check where you can and can't fly this week. RAF Lossiemouth still has temporary flight restrictions that remain active until the 6th of November for military training exercises. Birmingham NEC has short airspace limits active this weekend for Tech Expo 2025. And Cardiff Bay has restrictions from the 8th to the 10th of November for Remembrance Day rehearsals. But always check Drone Scene or NATS Drone Assist apps before you fly, as when you do fly there could be temporary restrictions in place for that day or that hour. Now it's time for this week's photo of the week. This shot comes from Michael that captured this drone shot yesterday, and it may be our best photo we've had submitted in yet. If you want your photo to be featured in next week's episode, send us your best drone shots to josh@dronesales.co.uk and we'll pick our favourites to be shown next week. And that's it for this week's episode of Drone News UK. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss an update. But from all of us here at Drone Sales UK, thanks for watching and fly safe.